The key ingredient is mousse burger. You always need celery, onions, and garlic, and this is special because it's lactose-free cheese. The shredded and also the cream cheese is lactose-free. Last year we grew some herbs, and you just need salt and pepper to taste, and salsa. Many people have many different recipes, and I'm glad to show you how I cook this yummy dip. I cook with water, add your mousse burger, cook for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Add onions, celery, and garlic to your mousse burger. While your mousse burger is cooking, take your block of cream cheese and spread it in a glass pan. With this recipe, I have to use lactose-free ingredients because I have 2 family members that are lactose intolerant. Break up your mousse burger so it's easier to eat when you're dipping. My husband and I grew herbs last year, and this is cooking sage, and we use 1 teaspoon. Parsley, 1 teaspoon. Sweet basil, 1 teaspoon. Salt, just sprinkle a little bit just to your taste. And pepper to your taste. Take your hot mousse burger and pour it over the cream cheese. You are making layers, cream cheese, mousse burger, now salsa. Add your shredded cheese, and this one here is lactose free. And put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 15 minutes. You can use chips, scoopables, crackers, with the right ingredients, you can make your very own yummy mousse dip. Many people love this dip. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell button to receive notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great day.